markets continue to consolidate. They are higher this morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Buzzway Update for Friday, January the 16th. And, well, we're higher. You saw yesterday, markets were up huge and then fell apart and ended up only slightly higher on the day. They're a little bit higher again this morning. But we're really in just a phase of consolidation. It is a position where the markets continue to make resistance and support, making double tops and double bottoms, looking for a way to break out. And eventually they will break out of this range. And again, it looks like it'll probably break to the upside, but either way, eventually they're going to break out. But the problem is when you get in these very tight ranges, it makes trading very difficult. Basically, all we're really looking for is high probability setups right now, because we're looking to sell premium and be very cautious around this market. We have a holiday Monday, so I don't expect a lot of action today. Certainly by midday, we should be pretty quiet. In the meantime, as we look at the markets, they are higher, as I said, across the board. A little bit off their overnight highs, but still higher. The dollar is a little bit lower, but it is over 99 cents. We did say to buy it at 98 cents. The euro currency is flat. We're short that. Notes and bonds continue to hover around those key levels. Bonds are just over 112. They're a little bit lower, and excuse me, the notes are at 112, just over 112, and the bonds are just over 115. Look, again, I think that interest rates are going higher, no matter what the Fed says, and I'd look to be a seller, but right now we're just really in a tight wave of consolidation to be very careful. Bitcoin has rallied, but back below that 96,000 resistance level. Gold, silver, and platinum are a little bit lower this morning, but they do continue to go crazy, and certainly we'd look to be a seller of silver here, and not because we're bearish. It's the parabolic move in the chart, what's going on in the retail trade, what's going on with the vendors and the dealers. There's a lot of issues underneath the surface here, so I'd look to be a short seller of silver. Copper is back below that $6 level. I think watch the $6 level back and forth, but I would think probably you're going to see some selling in here. Grain markets are higher across the board, but they're still very much near their bottoms and nothing exciting here. Cattle continues to churn, along with hogs. Hogs, it looks like they've broken out to the upside, which we mentioned the other day, that the formation was bullish. Nat gas is a little bit higher, but right at that 320 level that we're looking at. And of course, crude oil had cracked out a little bit from 62. Now we're trading right around 60. I think we're going down to 55. I would look to sell into rallies. In the meantime, just be very careful. This is very quiet, very slow. The action is light, and there's not a lot to do. So it's really just a question of putting yourself in the right position and waiting for some confirmation. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, Trader Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, and of course our high school program. And have a great day, everybody. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Sunday on Bubba's Bottom Line. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.